Hi, this is me again, Toniko. I paint on bags and I paint on other things. I like to draw and I like to make figurines. And recently I have been doing digital painting as well. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, press the notification bell, comment, and share if you can. Thank you. Now let's go shopping at Daiso. For those of you who don't know, Daiso is like a Japanese version of a dollar shop. So yeah, they sell a lot of different things like office supplies, school supplies, and kitchen stuff, kitchen utensils and they also have a lot of art supplies. Today I'm going to get some of the art supplies that I actually use, like the pencil from Daiso is really good. Their papers and their brushes, I also use them a lot. And I also found that they have a watercolor pencil that I have not tried before, so I'm going to get that one too and try it. And let's see if the quality is good or not. This Daiso branch does not have a lot of art supplies, so I'm going to try and check out the other Daiso nearby. Luckily, they have the canvas that I need, but I don't need the bigger one because it's more expensive. I only need the smaller one, which is like $1. So let's get this one. I also want to get these round brushes. I love them so much. I use it a lot. I guess that's all we need. Let's go home and check what we got. The first item that I got is the canvas. That's the smaller one, so it's only $1. The second item that I got is this scrapbook. It's one of my favorite art supply or art materials from Daiso. I have been using this for so many years. This is what I always bring with me when I go out, like if I want to go to coffee shops and draw something. I usually bring this because it's very portable, it's small, and it really works well with color pencil. I love its texture and I like that it has thick pages, and I like that it's brown. It almost looks like a masonite board, so I highly recommend this scrapbook from Daiso. I also got this acrylic paints. It is not the best paint, but sometimes I use it for my paintings as well. And I usually get 5 colors, which are black, white, red, yellow, and blue, because from there we can mix a lot of different colors, so that's all we need. Another favorite item that I always get from Daiso is this erasers. It is like a scrap eraser. I don't know, but they have a lot of different sizes in one pack and it's only $1. I use this a lot. It's actually a good quality eraser and it lasts me a long time. I also got this 2B pencil. It is actually the only pencil that I use and I like it a lot. Now here is the watercolor pencil that I mentioned earlier, and I'm really curious to see if it's a good quality one. So let's try this out at the end of this video. Please keep on watching. Another art supply that I always get from Daiso are these brushes. I really love them and I've been using them for many years. I also got me this sharpener because for my colored pencil I always need a sharp one. I am also very excited to find this sharpener which you can connect as a cap on a PET bottle. So when you sharpen your pencil, all of the scrap wood will just fall inside. I think it's so cool. By the way, I went back to Daiso to pick up this drawing book that I love because I want to try the watercolor pencil on a white surface. So here's another one from Daiso that I really like. I want to show you this item that I also got from Daiso. It is a watercolor pencil brush. It has water inside. I bought this a long time ago, but I'm going to use this today. This pen is not from Daiso, but I will use this for my outlines. Here are all the items that we got today. Let's go ahead and try the watercolor pencil and see if it's a good quality or not. Oh, but first, let us assemble this one. I'm really excited to use it. Oh, I really think it's so cute. I love it. Do you think I could fill up this bottle in a month? Let's see. Okay, enough of this cute sharpener. Let's try the watercolor pencil. Okay, I am not mad at this. It's actually good. Now let's try diluting it with water. It's okay. I think it's not that bad. I guess it's time for me to try the watercolor pencil now. I hope this will turn out okay. It's my first time using this product. In case you guys are wondering, my voice is really bad because I have been sick for the past few days, but I am recovering now, so please don't worry. I will be uploading more video of me using the art supplies that I bought from Daiso, so please press the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new one, and I hope you enjoy this video. After filling up the hair with blue and the boat with yellow, I'm going to dilute it with water, and on top of that I'm going to add a white acrylic paint for the bubbles and waves. And now we are almost done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what kind of video you would like to see so I can try and make it for you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you can, I would really appreciate it if you can share this with your friends. It would help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. And we are finally done. Here is our final piece. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Toniko. I hope you liked the video. See you on my next one. Bye!